bit of work, do a little bit of relax. But the big events come from trauma. This is it. So it's a cheat code. It's a cheat code to climb the mountain. So when I get a message from whoever and he goes,
I can't imagine truly wanting to quit something and not being able to quit. I can't imagine it. Like when I talk to people who say, I want to quit smoking, I say, when? They go, oh, well, soon. But that means you don't want to quit. You want to keep smoking for a while and quit later. I can't imagine a mind frame or a mindset where I want to do something and can't do it. Because if you have that kind of mind, if your mind is so fundamentally broken that you cannot do with your own mind what you want to do, right? You know, like that, then you're just fucked. If you cannot control your own mind, then you are just a feather in the wind of life. Because your own mind is the only thing you can control. You can't control the weather. Right. You can't control other people. You can't even control whether your heart stops beating. You might have a heart attack tomorrow. You can't control anything besides what you think. If you cannot control your own mind, then you go through life with zero control, zero influence. You can't control anything. You're just a feather in the wind, waiting for life to blow you from happy place to sad place to happy place to sad place, completely hoping on the gods to be fortunate to you, because if any genuine discomfort comes your way, you're fucked. It is trained like everything else in life. It is trained. So if you find yourself not appreciating what you have until it's gone, then you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to focus or concentrate on tasks, you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to go and dedicate yourself to something you don't want to do, you must blink and cure your brain. Because all of our minds have been under constant assault for years. The way the mind functions, the way people interact, has changed so significantly in the last 10 years you wouldn't believe. Because everybody's fucking distracted. They're getting distracted by this, distracted by that, watching fucking Netflix, jerking off to Pornhub like fucking jackasses. It's so easy to win if you can control your own mind. But it seems that nobody fucking can. It gets to a point where you finally must accept the reality that your physicality and your mentality as a man are linked, and you cannot be happy and strong in your mind if you are weak in your body. You need to have a strong body to have a strong mind as a man. There's no way to escape it. And that's one of the reasons why I preach so much about training, learning to fight, get in the gym, get bigger, get stronger. You will fix your mind if you fix your body. You should be as strong as you possibly can. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence, you get rapists. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings, and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world.
Hey, Andrew, so how do I get like a six-pack quick? What's the fastest way to get a six-pack?
Why does it have to be quick? Why does it have to be easy? Why do you think life is all quick and easy? Why can't it be hard and difficult? Why can't you suffer? Because suffering is what gives it value. If everyone had a six-pack and it was quick and easy, then it wouldn't be valuable, would it? If everyone walked around with a six-pack and they got it easily, then no one would give a shit. The whole point is that it's difficult to hit. Value is linked to difficulty. If you want something that is valuable, you need something which is difficult to obtain. The fact that you just said you wanted it quick and easily shows that your whole mental model is fucked. You shouldn't be thinking about quick and easy. You should be thinking about hard, suffering, pain, going through it. That's what you should be thinking about. This is going to be hard, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because when it is done, then everyone's going to know that I went through something difficult.
The bad things that are happening to you are what you need to become the man that you want to be. Someone emails me and says, "This has happened to me." I'm like, good. No, what do you mean good? It's terrible. How else are you going to become important? How else are you going to find endless fire to get up and struggle in the face of the competition that's out here? How else are you're going to do all that with a nice, cushy life? If any man's honest with himself, think about the biggest transformative stages in your life. Think about the times you got the most work done. It was a bad part of your life. You were heartbroken, or you lost a house, or broke, or whatever. That's when you did shit. When everything was fine, when the woman's still sucking dick, the mortgage is paid, dinner's on time, it's kind of doop-de-doop-de-doo. little by little, do a little bit of work, do a little bit of relax. But the big events come from trauma. This is it. So it's a cheat code. It's a cheat code to climb the mountain. So when I get a message from whoever and he goes, my wife left me, I'm devastated. I say, I understand. I completely understand how hard it can be to lose a woman that you've given your entire life to. And you've done so many nice things. And then because of one thing you did, her innate and absolutely insane level of ungratefulness has turned her bitter, and she now talks to you like she hates you over one thing you've done after thousands of efforts showing how dedicated you are to her. And even now that you're prepared to die for her, she doesn't give a shit about you. I understand that pain. But my answer is, good, it's still good. Now take all of that pain, and instead of emailing me, do this.
We live in a comfortable world now where people think, oh, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. But you know what? To some degree, it does matter. It does matter, and I'll tell you who it matters to. It matters to your soul, and it matters to God. I stand in the mirror with a pure heart. I know I am the best version of me that could possibly ever exist. I know that God is proud of me. There's nothing that God hates more than sloth and laziness. If God were to create a man, and that man were to sit around and do fuck all, God will frown upon you. It's why you're never lucky. If you're listening to this and you think I'm never lucky, I'll tell you why, because God dislikes you because you're fucking lazy. Start to work, start to show God the beauty of his own creations. You'd be amazed how lucky you'll become. God is unhappy with these people. And inside their hearts, they're unhappy. We talk about depression, anxiety, all those things you mentioned earlier on this podcast. That comes from self-loathing. You loathe your own weakness. You loathe your own laziness. This is what all of these things are. I don't feel depression. How can I feel depression when I'm the most powerful version of me that I could ever fucking be? How can I feel depression when I could squeeze my own hand hard enough to break my own bones? How can I feel depression when I've smashed and destroyed 68 people's faces in front of me, men who thought they could test me in fair combat? How can I feel depressed? It's impossible. Do you understand? Every fucking day, I don't feel like doing things that I still do. It's called discipline. It's called being a man. It's not about feeling like doing it. If you only do things you feel like doing, you know what you end up doing?
What?
You end up sitting around with a belly, drinking soya fucking latte bullshit. That's what you end up doing if you only do what you feel like doing. You have to wake up and say, I don't feel like training, but I must train. I will stop being a loser. I will follow the word of Tate. You need to do what you're supposed to do, not what you feel like fucking doing.
Okay.
That's the difference between a man and a fucking child. You do not become a man doing what you feel like doing. You become a man doing what you're supposed to fucking do. The men on the Titanic didn't feel like dying that day. It's your duty. It is your duty to not be a fat piece of shit. But you fucking it up because of the lack of motivation.
The world is hyper competitive. If you're going to be a man who's going to sit and say, I'm just sad, you are always going to lose in competition to men like me. Yeah. And there has to be losers for there to be winners. I am tired of sympathy. Sympathy doesn't work for anybody. I'm not going to sit here and be sympathetic for people who say they're too sad to try hard and be their best. Guess what? Perhaps I was sad every time I did exactly what I was supposed to do and trained anyway. Perhaps I was afraid when I fought anyway. Perhaps I was tired when I worked anyway. This is how you get ahead in life. I don't have a fucking ounce of sympathy for these people who sit here and say, well, I feel this way, so I can't. Then don't do it. Stay down there. The winners are at the top, and the winners at the top don't give a shit about how they feel. We wake up and we perform regardless of how we feel day after day. So if I'm going to ignore my own feelings, I'm certainly not going to take into consideration anybody else's. Yeah. Why am I going to ignore how I feel and make sure I'm constantly performing regardless, flawlessly, and then sit and go, oh, but he doesn't feel good, so he's allowed to fuck up. No, you are not. You're not allowed to fuck up to your ancestors or to God or to yourself. You have to perform. Baseline of masculinity as a whole is the thing that makes a good man is that he does what he doesn't want to do. He doesn't want to work and he works anyway. He doesn't want to go to war and he fights anyway. He doesn't want to get up, he gets up anyway. That's the whole point of it. We didn't want to die in the Titanic. Guess what happened? We died in the Titanic. You can't sit there as a man and say you don't feel like it. You're not allowed to not feel like it. You're supposed to do it anyway, regardless. Yeah. So when a man sits there and says, oh, but you don't understand, I'm struggling with motivation. If you are struggling with the motivation to be a winner, then stay a fucking loser. No problem. Stay a loser. Don't care. Because in my circle, there's no losers around me. Your energy is disgusting. I find it revolting. I don't like weakness around me, even near me. Even people coming up saying hello to me. If you're depressed, don't even shake my hand. I do not have time for losers on any regard. Winners only. I find it amazing there are people out here today
who are going to sit and say, oh, I'm sad, I'm too depressed, I don't want to work hard. Do you understand that only 200 years ago, there were peasants out working a field, starving, surviving the Black Death, surviving the plague, struggling to exist just to reproduce so that 200 years later, you can be the end of their bloodline for you to sit on your ass and do fucking nothing. Like, you're a fuck up. You're fucking up your entire bloodline of your entire ancestry. You owe these people things. They went through hell for you to exist. You have a debt, you have a duty to pay. You have to be the best possible version of yourself. And the same to God. God loves people who try. God loves people who work hard. It's amazing if you try your very best all the time, what God will give you. He'll give it to you, anything you want, if you actually try. Not convincing yourself you try, actually try. They're different things. I do not feel like training, but I still train because I'm a disciplined individual. You don't get to go through life only doing the things you feel like doing. Do you know who gets to do that?
Women.
Beautiful women. Beautiful women get to do what they feel like doing. As a man, you have to do the things you're supposed to do. Because what we said earlier is absolutely true. It's player versus player. Now, if I wake up, I've already got this massive head start over you in life. You know, every genetic gift, plus all my finances, plus my network. And I wake up and I decide, even though I don't feel like working, I'm going to work my ass off. And you wake up way down there, peon, and you can't be bothered to work. What chance do you have against men like us? You don't stand a chance. You can't get the girl. We'll take the girl off you. We'll bankrupt your ass. We'll kick you out your house. You name it. You don't stand a chance. Now, if you're going to wake up and look in the mirror and understand that you're absolutely not crushable, that you're a rabbit, and that lions exist, and that's not going to motivate you to do something about it, then you're a lost cause. And there's just no point asking us a question. You know exactly what you need to do. If you want to stay killable, then stay killable. But I can't live that way. I would refuse to live that way. It's a disgrace to my bloodline. It's a disgrace to my parents who struggled to raise me for me to be anything other than the best version of myself. That's honor. I have honor to my last name and to my ancestry. It would be disgusting for them all to have fought saber-toothed tigers so I can wake my lazy ass up, jerk off all day, and ask on YouTube how I can stop being a fucking loser. You understand where I'm coming from?
No, 100%.
So this is down to you, my friend. And listen, you may feel fired up for 10 minutes after this little talk. You're not going to feel fired up forever. You need to put systems in place. You need to get discipline. And like Justin says, you need to get an atmosphere of people around you who are going to keep you accountable and not make it easy for you to continue to be a fucking nobody. And then you're going to fix your life. Otherwise, you're going to stay a nobody. I am absolutely and utterly a believer in hard work. I'm a proponent of hard work. I have all this money and all I do is work. My entire life is work. This podcast is work. I'm getting in the car, I'm going to another meeting, work. I'm going to fuck a bitch, that's work. I'm going to go to the gym so I'm in good shape, work. It's all work. My entire life is work. And people don't want to look at life that way. They want to talk about work-life balance and being lazy and all this crap. I don't believe in any of that. I believe in if you want to win, you have to outcompete the man who's prepared to do nothing but work.
Welcome. All right. I'm back with another beautiful stream. So let's go to the charts. We have 1.5 minutes left. Alright. So let's see what's going on. I think we should be good. Wish. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Let me know, man. I think now you should be good. Yeah, now you should be good. So yeah, man. So let's analyze the charts. Yeah, everything is good, very good, extremely good. If we go to the GJ today, we are first analyzing the GJ. It closed above the 4-hour range. This is what I was looking for, this candle to close above the range, so we can see a push towards the upside. So as you all know, we don't take the trades on the 4-hour time frame, so that is why we have to go for the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour looks a little choppy, not very good, because we have range there on the 1 hour time frame. We know this is the first range, but this is the range, one more range. This gonna close below the range, and we also have the range there on the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, we definitely see resistance there. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we have a same resistance on every time frame, on 1 hour, on 30-minute, or 15-minute. And what I say, like when we have the range, same range on the 2 3 same time frames, that means either it can be a resistance, it can be a support, but whatever it is, it 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 is like, if we can get the breakout from that particular range, man, you can understand like what we will see. So let me go to the left hand side. Oh, this is right. So I think so. Yeah, our partial TP. Let's take it to the. You know what? मित्तरां दी बिल्लो सरदारी चक कर. Yeah, man. I think we are just looking for a weak fill there. 182. Yeah, 182. 182. Yeah, 182. That's it. So yeah, if we can get the closure here, we will have like 10 pip range there. And we also know 182 is a strong psychological level. So you know what I'm going to do here? I am going to oh, put rectangles where we know what we have to do. Here is the first rectangle. So put another, I'm going to put another rectangle there where I know take I'll take a buy. And so yeah, so I have my potential buys, I have my no trade range, I have my potential sells. So here is the bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. Oh man, weekly 15 minutes. Let's see. Maybe I don't take a sell there, but I'm definitely looking for a buy. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for a buy, but I'm not sure with the sells, but I'm sure with the buys. And gold is very tough for today. So yeah, what we know, gold is very tough. So what is our job? Our job is to make this shit. Why this move happened, man? It happened 10:30 p.m. Pakistan time. Why? There was no news. Our job is to make this shit easy. So let's make it easy. Let's make it easy. So I'm looking for cells below this level. Let's see. Kar chakkar. Oh, Ali, man, how are you? So let me take Ali on Discord. Then we will analyze the charts. I'm also hearing some songs. Chakkar chakkar, utni chakkar. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm looking for cells in this area, below this area. That will be the partials. Yeah. So yeah, I'm looking for cells below this level. Simple. That will be the break even point. Potential cells are here. My potential cells are here. I don't know about you. This is this is absolute no trade range. And I think we have a good range for the buys. 54, 55 pip range. So yeah. ਸਵਾਰੀ ਚੱਕ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਥਾਰੀ ਚੱਕ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ. So yeah, this is it. And what we can do here, yeah, previous daily was, oh, previous daily was bullish. Oh man, haha. Oh shit. So this is also 1 hour 30 minute. Yeah, 4 hour did close bearish, so I'm not looking for buys as soon as now. And that will be the target there for buys. And for sells, I'm looking for sells below this level. Maybe if we can get the closure on the 1 hour time frame, then I can take the sell there. और ना मिली तो वैसे ही करना है. Yeah. And yeah, we have to wait. I think I don't think so we will get the trade on the gold in very soon, but I think we may get the trade on pound yen. Pound yen looks good. I will not place a buy stop today. Market is very messy. I will market execute my trade. Yeah, I will market execute my trade. Checker, checker. So yeah, last daily was bullish. This daily break the low. 4 hour bullish. 1 hour bullish. Oh, 1 hour looks good. With the round below. 30 minute. 15 minute. This is a very small area, like 24 pips. USD JPY. What I said, man, yesterday, I said if we can get the closure above this range, where we have to go? Man, where we have to go, you know this. That was the break even. Oh, this candle, like, this candle close with no wick at the top. This candle close with bottom wick and top wick. Let's jump down to the 15-minute time frame. We can see a range into a range. This 15-minute candle close above the range. Let's take a buy. Stop loss 13 pips. Partial at 25 pips. Man, what was that? A beautiful trade. Unfortunately, I did not look at this shit. Actually, I took the trade on gold yesterday. I took 2 trades. Both were winning. Unfortunately, the spreads didn't make my trades very big, but man, what I said, some people sent me message. They said, hey man, use TFT, use like big prop firms. I give them a simple answer. Man, they can stole some pips, they can stole some money, but they can't stole your skills. You have to understand this. No one can stole your skills. Why you have to be ultra aggressive towards the prop firms where you know there is nothing for you? This is the thing you have to understand, man. So yeah. So looks like we have to wait. Four-hour looks good. Yesterday candle close bullish. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. 15 pips stop loss. Candle close above the range. Oh, yeah, this is a stop loss there. 15 pips. And if we can get the closure above this range, stop loss goes to 19 pips, but we will get the trade on a good confirmation. I think that works good. Ashok Yadav, but why to waste any part of your hard-earned gains? They can't take your skill, but the reward you generate costs you time, which is most valuable. Bro, the thing is, most of the time, you will see the spreads on gold are 1.2 pips. Same spreads. Like, there are brokers, like how we take our entries. We take our entries on sell stop or and buy stop, and I know their spreads will stay at 1.2 pips, and whenever I put my buy stop, I give the spreads like give a room for the spreads for 1.5 pips. But if you look at the other brokers, other good brokers like Dominion Markets, you will see the spreads very different. Like one time their spreads will be less than a pip, and the other time their spreads goes to 3 pips. So this is the problem. So but why I like 8 cap, because their spreads are on gold are same 1.2 pips. Sometimes they manipulate because every broker has a B book. They have their algos, and when they see one person is not doing good, they take that person's fund and they put him on the B book. And when all of the B books are in profits, and when they think they are going to lose money, they increase the spreads to counter their loss. This is the thing that happen. But most of the times you will see the spreads on gold 1.2 pips. Same spreads. That is why I like it. That is why I really wanna have this 8 cap broker. So this is the thing that is very like hard to explain on the chat. So that is why I just ignore the message, and I give the reply, everyone, I don't care. Yeah, I just simple reply, I don't care. But I care, man. But the thing is, I know. The thing that I know is, I know uh, on gold it is very good. And I most of the time I trade on gold. So that is why it is good for me. And also, yesterday, let me show you that stuff. let me show you yesterday's stuff. So I took the trade there. My trade goes to this point. I think I can wait for this because my TP was this. I see the high spreads. I was like, man, I have to cut my position. I got FOMO, man. I have to accept this thing also, man. This is also another reality. Why we have to, why we have to, uh, like, uh, sit behind the reality? No, man. I also got FOMO. I was like, my stop loss is 22 pips. I got 1 to 1 there. Yeah, man, I was up 18, 19 pips, but I didn't close anything. I was waiting for this stuff. But once the spread goes high, I was like, man, they are, yeah. But that affect my psychology. At the time, I just forgot my plans. I was like, man, I don't know what my plans are. I don't know what my plan is. I just, uh, I just like break my rule, man. Break my plan. Like, if the price goes to this point, and also when I cut the position, I look at the spreads after 2-3 minutes. Spreads were 1.2 pips. Same like it is now, 1.2 pips. I'm the guy, I always keep spreads in front of me. So I really care about spreads. It is not mean I don't care. Because I have no time to explain to everyone about the spreads. So that is why I just said, hey man, I don't care. Yeah, I care, man. Why I don't care? Like, if I don't care, why I am not going to other brokers? It means I care. Man, I have my 10k funded account. I have. Look at this. XAUUSD. That was the trade that I took on this account. Let me show you the new. Look at this, man. I have brand new 10k challenge account. So I have no problem. I have no problem. I also have my account, second account, so it is not about like spreads. Why I like that account, because the spreads are always same. Like on this account, you will see the spreads. Spreads goes to 1.4 pips. Look at this. How spreads are moving. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. This is the thing that I don't like about the other brokers. I want to see spreads. Which firm is this? This is a, look at the spreads now. 2.1 pips, 2.3 pips. Do you like this broker or the broker 8 cap that I am using? You like that broker? Ali man, I'm also good, bro. I just call you. You were not on the Discord, and then I sent a message on the chat. Look at this. Now spreads goes to 1.9, 1.8. So why I like 8 cap? Because I always have the spreads at 1.2 pips. This is the thing, man. This is the thing you don't know. That is why, because I always take the trades on the pending orders. That is why it is like, it is better for me. It is better for me. Yeah, man, this is the thing you don't know, man. This is the thing you don't know. And also, if you think about Think Markets, I have the account on Think Markets, and like you have .8 pips spreads on gold, but they will slip you every time by 2 pips, by 3 pips. So everything will be same. You have to understand this stuff. So that is why I always look at the spreads, man. How it moves. That is why I don't like. That is why I always like my I always like my 8 cap account because I have 1.2 pip spreads there. Chakkar, 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 chakkar. 1.2 pip spreads, 1.4. But most of the time it is same like 1.2 pips. That 1.2 pips. That is why I keep this account. Now you can understand why I have this account. Now you can understand better. Oh, hello.
Hello, bro. How are
Ali,
you?
wait a minute. I think I just hello, Ali.
Hello, bro. How are
Now
you doing?
now I can hear you, man. I'm doing good. Just showing people how sometimes brokers manipulate.
Bro, it's your problem, I guess.
No, no, no. Yesterday my spreads goes to 16 pips. I go to the Nick Stewart stream because he is using 8 cap, but his prop firm is TFT, and Johnny Stewart is also using TFT, but his broker is also 8 cap, and both of them has the same spreads like me, 13 14 pips. So it is about,
13 proteins, still.
yeah, you man, yesterday spreads goes to 16 pips.
That was wild, yeah, bro. When I saw your, spreads, I was like, what the fuck is this?
Let me send you that
I
story.
wouldn't,
I think I sent you
I
that
wouldn't
story.
even touch it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
uh,
watched it.
no, no, that happened, that manipulation happened in the, I think, afternoon, but manipulation again happen in the evening,
Yeah.
because in the afternoon spreads goes to 7 pips, and I was getting crazy, man, how 7 pips. And then in the New York session, when I saw the spreads goes to 16 pips, I was like, man, I was getting angry on 7 pips, and now we have 16 pips.
Yeah, bro, that was wild, really.
That spreads were
10
at
people.
this point, at 6:30 candle open. No, yeah, 6:30 candle,
That.
because
Mm-hmm.
they were looking for people. They will take the sell there. They don't wanna give money to the
Bro,
people who were on the cells.
Bro, the thing is, no, I'm also using my tank market on my face too,
Yeah.
and I didn't saw any type of spread like yours and yesterday. I did check my spread as well. My spread was 0.9 pip on gold. That's why I'm asking that it's the problem from the prop firm, I guess.
How much spreads?
And my spread on gold is now 0.9 pip
Point 0.9 pips.
on tank market. Yeah,
Yeah,
let me
there.
see.
I also use the think markets. There's a pads like point 0.8 pips, point 0.9 pips. They are ranging between like round about 1 pip, less than, most of the time
Yeah.
less than 1 pip
Yeah,
for
what's your broker? Edcap?
8 cap.
Oh man,
Man,
that's
I
hard
like
then.
that broker because of this. Look at the spreads on gold, 1.2 pips spreads always.
On Think Market?
No, on 8 cap.
Okay.
You can see the stream, man. Like on the stream, you can see on
Yeah.
on
It
gold.
doesn't show your broker. Yeah.
Now I think there is some kind of a news, maybe spreads goes to 1.5, but it is like almost like out of 24 hours, like 16 hours, I have 1.2 pips spreads. So like when, so why I like these spreads, because whenever I put my pending order, I just like counter the spreads and I give the room for point 0.3 pips. I like kept my buy stop 1.5 pips above the previous candle price.
Let me tell you this. Let me give you the signal. Are you interested on Euro USD buys or not?
I was interested, man, but if we look at the 30-minute time frame, I was like, we have, I explained the whole Euro USD. We have 1.5 pip range. If we can get the closure above the, well, like 2 3 pip
Uh,
range, spread,
yeah.
then stop loss will be, now stop loss is 15 pips, then stop loss will be 18 pips. But the confirmation, and if we look at the left hand side on the 30-minute time frame,
Mhm.
we have 39 40 pip range, and we can easily take 1 to 1 with extra confirmation.
Yeah.
But 4 hour
I'm
looks
just
good,
having.
it
Yeah.
close above the range.
I'm just having a buy stop on the 4-hour break of the highs. So let's see what happens.
Previous 4 hour,
Yeah. Previous part.
yeah, but the thing is, that I said before, it close above the range,
Yeah.
it close above
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
range.
I really do see that 30-minute range, but I'm depending it on 4 hours, so I don't watch any ranges on 30 minutes.
So
The
you will
4 hour
keep your
trade,
stop
and I will
loss,
manage it the 4 hour.
you will
What?
keep your stop loss below the previous 4 hour candle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
this is
15
good.
pips.
This is good.
Yeah.
It is a 15 piece. Stop loss is very small, like not a big stop loss, so it makes sense
Yeah.
like to take the trade.
Yeah.
But like if we can get that 30-minute closure above, then we can convert this trade into a 4 hour, and entry will be like, you know, a trader, Vakas,
No.
he always take the trade on the 15 minute, and he get the entry on the 15 minute, and he manage the trade on the 4 hour time frame.
What the fuck?
Man, he always take the RR like 1 to 15, 1 to 16. I don't know it is real or not, but this is it. This he always take the he always take like 1 to 14, 1 to 15 RR, and I was like,
Who
man,
is he?
how this person is doing.
Who is he?
Let me show you the let's search on the YouTube, Raja Banks, and what was that guy name? Uh, Words of Wisdom, and Umar Ashraf. When you, and Vakas, when you will type this, you will get a podcast of 5 traders, and they were talking about their trades and their style of trading and stuff like that, and yeah,
Oh,
he
oh,
is Pakistani, man. He also looking like a Pakistani.
uh-huh.
Found him.
Mm-hmm. It's Dr. Andrew Aziz, I guess. I don't know.
I also,
कौन सा वाला है छोटा वीडियो
मैंने अभी सर्च नहीं किया, 1 मिनट में अभी आपको ना लिंक सेंड करता हूँ उस पे, यू डिस्कॉर्ड पे, वकास वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम, उसके बाद उसमें आ रहा था उमर अशरफ राजा बैंक्स।
सेटिंग्स
अच्छा हाँ हाँ, चौथा वाला, मतलब एक कॉर्नर
What's
में
your
राजा बैंक्स है ना, दूसरे कॉर्नर में वो है, इसकी अपनी भी है, वो इसने अपनी पॉडकास्ट, इसका अपना यूट्यूब चैनल भी है.
yeah,
I
पता
don't
नहीं.
know why all the traders starting podcast.
Podcasts are, it,
I think it is a good
in my
business.
opinion, yeah, it's a good business, but it's bullshit, you know? It's the fugazi that they shows to the people. The trading is like that, trading is like that, but in actual, you will realize what trading is.
Oh shit, man!
The amount of you,
Look at the GJ.
yeah,
So was there any news?
no, no news.
Why it is moving like crazy?
I don't know, bro. Oh, it's 11:30 Bank of
Oh,
Japan press conference. Yeah, it's
oh,
press
oh,
conference going on.
oh!
Sell
You
now.
wanna
Choo,
take a
choo,
sell?
choo.
You wanna take a sell?
No. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh! I was looking
That
for
was
cells,
wild.
man. I was looking
Uh,
for cells.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, gold should go up. Yeah, but
No, no,
little bit.
God shouldn't go.
The way. Oh, I was looking for cells. I was like,
Yeah.
just take a cell for the scalp. Oh man,
So it
that
just
could.
move. It is just moving the whole
Oh,
market.
that could be the good scalp, man.
Yeah.
Uh, oh, more than 100 pips.
Mm,
Oh,
nice.
117 pips. Like if someone get their like even 30 pips, that is good.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was good, man. That was good. So crazy.
Mm,
When I
let's
see
see.
the when I see the spreads, I was like, man, there is something going on.
I've been executed on my USD as well.
Oh wow. I
Yeah.
think because of this move.
Yeah, yeah. That
This
moved
is
it.
what I was saying, like whenever we have a news,
Yeah.
it affect a little bit on other pairs too.
Yeah.
So let's see how the 4 hour candle moves. So if we can get the 30-minute closure above, oh wow, look at this. Came up, it moves, it still moves 3 pips, man. So this is the thing, like if we can get the closure on the 1 hour time frame above, I'll go in this trade on the break of this low high. My stop loss will be same.
So look at the DJ, you know?
GJ, man, GJ was crazy. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Hey guys, listen, now there is nothing. When it was coming down, and thank God I didn't execute, like, because when you execute in this kind of scenario, your cursor is just moving in the round position and you get nothing. You get activated there in this kind of market scenario. And if you are using think markets, you will definitely get into the trade at the bottom of the range. Ali, am I right?
Yeah, yeah, bro, you're right.
Maybe I like tell you that story before, like when I first time take the trade on the news, I get into the buys, like even though like I place a buy stop and sell stop, and at the that day I took the buy the prop firm challenge, and I was like, yeah, it is a good. So I was like, let's see if it like works good on the news. And
Mm-hmm.
then I realized, yeah, it really works good on the news. Like price just go
Yeah.
down without even a top wick. But I was in a buy and my sell
Mm-hmm.
executed from where the price got reversed.
Mm-hmm.
So man,
Yeah.
I just closed the both trades and I was down almost 77, 75 pips.
Holy shit.
I lost 77 pips in just matter of 5 seconds.
That's wild.
So this is the thing that happened. That is why I then I realized, man, think markets is, and also like then I closed my GJ trade on the think markets, and
Mm-hmm.
that was the first day I took the GJ trade. I was very confident. I was very motivated. My trade goes in 18 pips in profit, and I was very like angry on myself because I take like 9 pips, 10 pips, and that day I was like, man, I will get 18 pips. And when I go into 18 pips, I close the trade. And when I see my profits, I was up 10 pips. Their spreads like goes for 8 pips for just a second and then goes to 1 pips. I think not 1 pips. On
They,
think, yeah, man, this is the thing happened.
yeah.
Like
They
yesterday,
don't want you to take more than 10 piece, bro, I guess.
yeah, man. Like yesterday, I took the trade on gold. Let me show you that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think I was up 18 pips,
Mm-hmm.
and no, I was up 19 pips, and I was like, no, I need 35 pips. When my trade goes in like 18 pips one more time, and I see spreads 8 pips, I was like, now I have to close the trade. Why?
Yeah.
Because of FOMO. And this is the thing that I didn't realize when I closed the trade. This is the thing that I realized when I was on a bed at 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. In the night. And I was like, man, why I closed the trade? Because even though spreads were like 88 pips, but my plan, because uh, this price goes below this level before my trade goes in 19 pips in profit, and I didn't close the trade. And why I did close the trade at like 10 pips, because my trade was 18 pips but I was in 10 pips. I was like, man,
No.
this is the thing that I closed the trade based on the FOMO.
Yeah.
And
And the
man, FOMO.
thing, yeah, the thing was that it was really late also, you know. It was 3 p.m. It was a 4-hour open.
You know
You
what?
just took that
You know
trade.
what? How 4 hour
Yeah.
candle goes? This 4 hour candle.
No.
This 4 hour candle open. I think that was, yeah. 4 hour candle open. It goes for straight 18 pips up. No, 20 pips wick. Top wick.
Mm-hmm.
Without even it
Okay.
has a very little to small uh, like bottom wick, and it came for like
Yeah.
18 pips top wick. And I was like, man, this kind of close bearish. 1 hour close below the range. Look at the 1 hour time. This 1 hour candle, it closed below the range. And I was like, man, it makes sense to take this trade. You and I opened the 3 a I opened my mobile, and I also took this trade on my mobile phone. That is why
Mm-hmm.
you see that I put the story on my Instagram, and I just screen record of my from my mobile phone. I didn't even open my laptop. And when I see the gold, it also kind of close bearish, and I was like, man, it is a good thing to take this trade. But man, if I look at the GJ, GJ was good yesterday. That was the trade. It
Yeah, I
uh,
also missed that GJ one.
yeah, and UJ also. GJ UJ both trades were good.
I don't know about UJ, I haven't seen that, but
Same thing.
the
Like
GJ,
GJ and UJ
yeah.
also move same. Just the difference is the spreads. And UJ now
Hmm.
my UJ has uh, 0.3 pip spreads.
No.
Its spreads is like 0. Now 0. 0.4, 0. 0.5, 0. 0.6. Even though we have a news effect a little bit now,
Mm-hmm.
but its spreads sometimes goes to zero. Look at the spread.
No.
Like look at the movement on the like point 0.1 pip spread, point 0.2 pip spread. So that is why I was like, man, this is good. Like point 0.1 pip. Sometimes spreads on UJ is zero, and I was like, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
like I got sometimes I got slipped sometimes for 1 2 pips, and also I have my GJ spreads now is 1.2 pips. Oh no, 2 pips. So that is why I was like,
Mm-hmm.
man, when GJ is giving the same thing, so I think we can. Man, look, you know what? 4 hour break the low of the. Oh man, look at this from where it rejected. 4 hour time frame. It
Yeah.
rejected from the, like, oh, like if someone is on the 4 hour time frame, he can take this trade from the
It was
bottom.
risky, bro.
Yeah.
It was really risky.
Yeah, it was risky, but like the stop loss is very small, like 10 pips.
Yeah.
But you can take,
It was a cow. It was a cowboy move.
yeah, and also like it was a very fast decision to make, and
Yeah.
I think if we can
It
get
just
the,
touched and rejected.
if the next 15-minute candle close below the range, I think I may go for a sell. Yeah,
Yeah.
I may go
Like
for a sell because when I
I'm.
started the stream,
Yeah.
I said
Yeah.
I am
Uh-huh.
looking for potential buys, but I am not looking for potential sells. For
Yeah.
buys, I am
I'm just.
potential.
Yeah. Voice has potential.
Yeah,
The
buys,
daily
man,
and the
buys are
4 hour all looks good.
everything looks
But
good.
on the GJ,
Sells
on
are
the
very
sell
tough.
side, I won't sell the closure. But if it gives me a salary on the closure below, then I will go for it.
So
I need
gold,
range to break out.
yeah, gold. I am potential for gold for buys, but for buys we have to wait for Canada to close above the range because this is where we
Yeah,
have the clean range for like 54 pips. So when we have the
yeah,
54 pip range, why we have to force the trade?
yeah,
Like when you have the small range, then you can force the trade. If you get like a little uh, more, what we say, that aggressive, but if you are not aggressive, just wait for like your proper setup. GBP USD is doing also nothing.
and it's also the time that you don't want to go like greedy. It's the time of the month.
Oh, it is a time of the
You have
year.
to be, yeah, you need to be like really cautious because if you end the year with negative money, it will hurt really bad.
Yeah, yeah.
I've just,
Nah,
yeah,
man, like just follow your plan. If you are in a loss, no problem.
yeah,
But like if you lost your money without following the plan, that hurts.
yeah.
If you follow your plan and you lose, it is. I don't think so. It will make you feel sad or.
My impulse decision doesn't always like ends up with good. So I'm just removing my impulse decision. I'm really happy to take like 10 to 12 trade a month and a profitable month, have a profitable month
Yeah, this
because
is
it
good.
will. generate, yeah, it will generate my future. Because
Yeah.
now let's see, no? Let's see, we are like taking like uh 30 trades. In 30 trades, we have like 12 losses, maybe 15, maybe 17 wins, and sometimes it's like 16, 15, 15 losses. But if we end up like taking like 10 to 12 quality trades, and 9 out of 11, 9 out of 12
12
trades are like
winning trades.
profitable, no? So we
Yeah,
can
bro.
generate a lot from that.
I
Now
think
we are
like
like,
you will be more
yeah,
profitable on the less trades.
yeah,
Yeah, as
we
compared to
will
like
be,
if you took 30 trades and you lost like 12
yeah,
trades, you will
yeah,
never get that profitable as you will be profitable on 12 trades. And
yeah.
yeah, this
So
is
trades are really like quality trades makes you profitable for the long run. Like
if this candle
let's just
close
see.
above the
I've just
range, I think I will go for a buy.
above what range?
If GJ close above the range, this 15 minute candle close above the range,
Yeah, that's good idea.
that will be a 1 hour breakout, rejection from the 4 hour time frame, and
Yeah,
like rejection from the downside, 1 hour breakout, and previous 15 minute is bearish, and that will be the first bullish candle, and I think then we will have a room for like uh, 2 3 more bullish candles. All I have concern
yeah,
is with the spreads. Now my spreads are 1.5, 1.2, 1.3 pips. But I will not today. I will not use the buy stop. I will market execute.
hmm
So let's go to the comment section, chat section. Wow, crazy spreads. Man, spreads gets crazy sometimes, but sometimes, not all the times. GU. Where is the US30? Yeah, here is the US30. And on my broker, US30 spreads always same. 1.6 pips. Always. I never seen my spreads like 200 or 240. No. Every time my spreads are at 1.6. 160 points, that means 1.6 pips.
yeah,
And on Nasdaq it always at 140. But I see the slippage. Huge slippage on the what we say US30. So let me go to the Forex factory one more time so I can see like what news do we have today. Oh, we have CPI for CAD, and they are looking for lower the numbers, lower the CPI. That means, what does that mean? Let me understand. If their CPI is decreasing, it means they can raise the rates. If they can, no, they can cut the rates. That is not good for, yeah, this is not good for CAD. So if you see, if something is not good for CAD, oh, CAD JPY, or if you wanna trade on the CAD JPY, you will see a sell for today. My cousin is on short on CAD JPY, and he is up like, I think he's up for maybe 400 500 pips. He is short from, oh, now we are up, we are pushing up, but I think I think he got in sales from 100 like 109.430, oh, 530. Like he took the sales from the top, and he was in a profit of 530 pips, but now he is in a profits of 23 235 pips, but his target is 1500 pips. So if you want to take a trade of the sell, I think it makes sense for today. If you want to take the trade on the sells, today is the day to take the trade on the sells. Not tomorrow, not nothing. Today. If you wanna take the trade today, today is the day. USD, man, we have 4 minutes left. Can we get the closure above the range? Can we get the closure above the range so we can go with a 1.5% risk? We can go with a 1.5% risk. That works good. That will be good. I think we may see what the hell is this? Oh shit. Oh, this
What?
is a USD I was like, yeah, let's see if we can get the closure above the range, man. We have a too much volume. All we need is for the next candle to come down, create a bottom wick, so we can like keep our stop loss, because I think we may have our stop loss 28 27 pips today, but no problem, like we will also target the same stuff. We will target this area, yeah, 28 29 pips. We will target the same stuff. And also one more thing is, like we are at 181.954. We are 5 pips 4.5 pips away from the rejection area 182. That is a strong key level. We may reject from that area, but still I think like if we can get the closure above the range, and like if we take the trade, I think volume can get this thing to go up. And also let me see what Yoida said. If we can get something from the Forex factory, his statement, what he is saying. So one thing is done, like they haven't raised the rates, so that is the BOJ, the unforward capped its ultra loose multiple unchanged and maintained. Yeah, their monetary policy is not changed. So mm, won't hesitate to take additional chances for hitting 2% target are rising. Likelihood rising will gradually increase towards the, what is this, man? Where they're gone? Won't have additional easing measure if necessary. Will continue easing hit. Man, they are saying they are still looking for likelihood rising will gradually increase toward target through FY25. We are still not in a situation to foresee suitable and sustainable inflation. Man, they are still not looking for increasing the rates or like positive interest rates. They are not looking for positive interest rates. So we have 20 seconds left. What's going on the gold? Yeah, gold is rejecting towards the downside, and I may take the trade for this 20 pip range there. That will be a small scalp. Let's see. Oh, it closed above the range. Let's see if it can come down, create a bottom wick. Oh man, it closed above the range. Spreads are
Yeah, this setup has a high chance.
this setup has a high chance, but we need a bottom wick.
Yeah.
Open calc.
Nice.
Let me open my magic keys because we don't have. Uh, oh, we don't have the stop loss yet. Oh, it is breaking
Boom.
the high. Oh,
Oof,
boom!
oof, 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 oof.
What is this?
और भाई बटन भी खाइए. Bro, you just took the liquidity grab. It have a high chance that it will, if it break the highs, it will go because it have a bottom wick already.
But the problem
It
is,
doesn't need anybody any bottom wick.
we also have the spreads too much. Like if someone wanna go into the trade,
What
he has to
spread?
go for the candle open.
What spread on your side?
It is 2 pips. Like if someone
Two
wanna
fifty.
go into this trade, he has to take the trade on the candle open. Other than that, I don't think so. Uh,
Yeah,
on the candle open, or taking the trade above this candle high, that was risky for me.
yeah.
But we missed this. So yeah, man, we missed one more
It
time.
is.
That was
It
quick.
is what it is, bro. Yeah.
Ali, you took this,
No, I didn't.
man. I just opened my open calc and I didn't even tapped onto the on the market pending. I don't know where is
Yeah.
my market pending, man. They are saying log price. What is the log price? Oh, log price. So log unlog price. What is this? Man, I don't know why my magic is doing shit stuff there. Open
Yeah.
calc
It
market.
was clearly an impulse move, and I'm studying it, you know.
Oh, yeah, now I see my magic keys there.
It was, it's not the first setup. I've seen this like on my second time. What one was on gold, went NYSE open. What was the time? Let me see. Uh,
What was the day?
let me find it. 14 December,
14th of December. Let
14th of December, and look at NYSE candle.
14th of December. Oh, I remember that. I think that moves from the
Yeah,
range.
yeah. L- Let's just say, na, the candle just came down and broke all the lows. Broke all the lows and it closed with heavy bullish. And the next candle also broke the highs
Yeah,
and
that
closed
candle. Yeah,
with
that candle.
doji. You know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that
That
was
candle
that was
just.
yeah, that was clearly an impulse move. It was a
Yeah.
high chance because it had grabbed the liquidity from the downside, and if it broke the all the resistance, it was a high chance it will go. That was my first experience, and on GJ, that's my second experience. If you see, it just tapped the 4 hour level, and the next 15
Yeah,
also
I was saying
make a
the
heavy
same.
bottom
Like,
wick.
I was saying
Yeah,
the same.
a
Like, I
heavy
was
bottom wick.
like, if we get a little bottom week, I think we get a little bottom week, but I was expecting a little more, and
Yeah.
like
So
we
it's
may
just
get.
my second time
Oh, that was
that I'm
beautiful.
experiencing.
30 pips. Like, look at this, just tapped into this area. That was the target area.
Yeah.
Like, but the thing is, yeah, I said this thing before, we may get the stop loss like 25 pips. And we can
No
target
worries,
this
bro.
area for 25 pips.
No worries, bro.
Yeah, man.
And 12 p.m. is also a high volume time, and the NYSE also a high volume time. So I'm just like learning these impulse entries as well.
Yeah, the thing
Quite
that
nicely.
I see, that I see, like whenever like this candle came down close with a weak body. Next, if we
Mhm.
are in the volume session, then it is not mean a rejection. It means we have to fill this week.
Yeah, bro.
Like, you know what, when we I am like slipped for 5 pips, and then kind of close with a small body, and you said to me, hey, we can also get into this trade, and I was like, no, this is for me a rejection candle. But for me, this is like not just a rejection candle. Like when we are in a volume time, we just came down, grabbed the liquidity, and for the next candle it just has to go up. And I see this stuff many times, like, oh, let me just remember the stuff. Let me. Yesterday I took this trade, I think, on the 1 hour time frame. That 1 hour, 11. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So, uh, oh wow. So yeah, yesterday I took a buy there on the candle open, and I have my stop loss 8 pips. I kept my stop loss below the previous 15 minute candle low, and I was like, it has to fill the wick because of the volume. And it filled the wick. It came all the way up. Like whenever I am on the stream, I always try to catch just 12 13 pips to catch some W. But when I do the trading on my own, man, sometimes my trade goes in like 25 pips. I don't close.
Yeah.
I was like, no, I need more pips. But there is some sort of like like psychological thing, like I have to show one more win there, stuff like that. And so yeah, man, I wasn't looking for the impulse entry, but I really was looking for it. This kinda came a little more. I definitely go for the trade with a 15 pip stop loss. So US30,
Yeah.
UJ. So yeah, man, no problem.
No worries.
Yeah,
We are just
no
learning. We are growing.
man. Yeah,
It's my second experience of the impulse entry, and I'm just founding the rules for the impulse entry, and I'm really grateful for that. If the
yeah,
next year
like
just
yeah.
throws me these setups, I won't be hesitating. I won't show any hesitation by taking this trade. But
Yeah.
first, we need to learn what's the concept, what are the rules for the impulse entry. We can't just take the impulse entry right away. It broke above all the ranges.
Yeah, if
It
it
just,
if it came down
yeah,
first, reject all the stuff and came up,
yeah,
then we can go for entry. And if we can go all the way up, reject all the stuff, and break the
yeah.
low in the volume time, then we can go for the trade.
It
So
just
this is
break the low in the next 15 also grabbed liquidity and closed heavy bearish. These 12 p.m. candle I didn't expect it a bottom week. That's why I told you the early it won't it doesn't it I don't think so it will make any bottom week to go up because it already grabbed a lot of liquidity to
uh,
go up. And 12 p.m. candle
but like
is
if we
also like
have
a
to
volume candle.
go for this trade, I think uh, where we can put our stop loss.
Stop loss on the flip because if it broke all the high and it flipped again, it won't like go up again. It
Oh,
will close inside the range
below it's below the current candle,
below the current candle.
and the
And the
entry.
entry would be break of the all of the highs.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
182,033 and the stops would be like 181, 8110.
It was almost like
That would
15,
be
16, 17 pips stop loss.
yeah. It was a 16 pip
Oh,
stop.
you know what I was looking for? Like I was looking for, if this candle came a little more, I will keep the stop loss below this candle, and I will take the trade on the break of the current high, not these highs.
Yeah.
But this
So
is
we
the
are
thing,
just
like,
making,
yeah,
yeah, we are
the
just making rules for the impulse entry, because impulse
yeah,
entry
man.
is
Like
the most
sometimes
risky entry.
we miss the move. Like we get angry.
Yeah,
Like how we can get into this trade, and
yeah,
like I always said, like sometimes we just break all the highs and then we came down.
yeah,
Yesterday, what we did, we came up. No, on this time that was in our session. We break this high, we break this high, we break the 4 hour high, we came down, man. So I was like, not all the time, like you can go for the break of the all highs and you can get into the trade. This is not like a very good thing. Like you call this an impulse entry. Like when I started the trading, what you know what I do? I just like candle already moved like 45 pips. I just take the trade in the between of the candle, and I was like, this is the impulse entry, man. Impulse entry mean like when there is no setup, take the trade. Then I
yeah.
understand, man, what impulse entries are. Still, there is some stuff. Oh man, look at this. How this candle came up, close with no wick at the top. Next candle came all the way down. 30-minute candle has no top wick. Next candle came all the way down. And this is also the wicks confirmation stuff. Like if you don't have the top wick, just fuck that fuck that stuff. Like there is a like Raja Bank says we have 50-50 chance, but for me I think there is like 60% chance for the next candle to go in opposite direction and the 40% chance for the next candle to go in the same direction.
Ooh, I'm looking some profits. Take some break on some greens on Euro USD.
Like you took the break even.
No, no, I didn't took a break even. I told you I will manage this trade on the 4 hour,
Yeah,
four
yeah,
hour
yeah.
close, nothing more.
If the 4 hour candle
Either it
close
hits me,
below the range, just cut the
yeah, I
trade.
will manage it.
Let's see
Yeah,
1 hour where 1 hour candle close. Oh, 1 hour candle close bearish. Let's see how
yeah.
the 15-minute candle close there. 15-minute candle on the Euro USD. If it close above the range.
I'm not looking at that trade until the 4 hours, or maybe like on 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But on my funded account, I just took it on the when it retraced. I didn't took it. I didn't like put any pending orders on that. On my
Oh,
real account, uh, I just had a pending order, a buy
oh
stop on the back
shit.
of the all of the highs. And on my funded account, when it retraced and flipped and went bearish, then I entered buy on that trade, and I'm 7 pips up on my funded account, and on my main account, I'm like up 2 pips.
Oh, you got the 5 pips edge.
Yeah,
Oh,
5 pips
wow.
because we can't risk.
Oh man, it is
If
pushing
I
up,
took the
man.
Yeah, if it just like see if it retraced and rejected that level, I will lose like 1.2%. But if I like went and my risk is like 2%.
Yeah.
When it goes for like 15, 16 pips, it will give me like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Now my stops on my funded account is like for like 10 pips, and the target profit is like 20 pips. But on
Oh,
my
wow.
main account, my stops are like 16 pips on 17 pips, and the TP is like 1 to 1. That's why.
Oh, yeah. You got the benefit point. Like, you got the 5 pips benefit point in the TP and 5 pip benefit point in stop loss. You overall benefit
Yeah,
point is like 1 hour is for free for you.
yeah.
Oh, wow. So, yeah.
Either I'm losing 1% or I'm gaining 2%, you know?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So let's see.
So we have, I think, oh, kind of close above the range. So my stop loss will be 20 pips there. Oh shit, it is just moving, man. So yeah, I go with a higher confirmation now. This is the thing that I was looking for. So this is based on the 4-hour time frame. Took the entry on the lower time frame, but risk is 1%. Gold is doing nothing, man. I think 4 hour.
Alright. It's been close. Now we get the top. Nothing on GJ as well.
If this kind of close bearish, then I can go for a trade. If this kind of close weak bearish, you know what, Ali? On Euro USD,
Yeah. Yeah.
daily time frame looks good.
Yeah, daily time frame is really free to go to the top of the range, you know?
I think we can go for the 1.10.
1.10, bro.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
go
no,
with
I will close some partials, but I'm not like going 1.4. If I get like 2% or 3%, I will be very happy with it.
yeah.
I won't be greedy. Yeah, because my main target is on my funded account is like 5%, you know? If I gain
Oh,
like
if you gain like
3%,
2.5 or 3%, you will cover
yeah,
your half.
yeah, I will cover myself.
Yeah. So let's see. Gold is pushing up. Maybe we caught something on gold.
Yeah, no, nothing. I don't see anything on gold.
Like if we can get the closure above the range.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
I
look at this.
I'm not.
Wow, this kind of came down. I
Yeah,
think it is
it's
better
this.
to stay away from GJ.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
hard
man.
now.
Because now it is crazy. Like, it is getting crazy now. Let's
We
see.
must. We should accept that we missed the move.
Yeah,
Now
simple
anything
as
like
that.
we put now will be like in formal entry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anything will be a formal entry because the 15 also closed with no wick at the top, and it just the next 15 just broke the high and just flip and like retraced the whole move. So either it goes up and reaches make a support or like nothing else.
Yeah,
Because on the left hand side it's also cleared the whole range, you know, to
yeah.
clear the target as well.
So, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
why it
yeah.
will be hard on people.
So,
Oh, so
simple as
yeah.
that.
Khuda shukr.
US30 GJ. GJ is not in my plan for today. Oh, 4 hour, 4 hour. Man, daily looks good for me. If I keep the stop loss below daily That that will be 5 pip more.
On Euro USD?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has the potential to retrace the whole move, bro. It
Yeah.
has. It do have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see if gold gives us something. I see on Euro USD like most of the time it gives you the move on this 4 hour candle that we are in this now.
Yeah, this 4 hour candle and the 4 hour candle after the NY open. These two 4 hour candle moves really well.
Yeah. But
Yeah, the 3 p.m.
this is
doesn't.
better than the 4 hour that opens in the
Yeah,
because we have too much news in the New York session that also
yeah,
affect a little bit on the Euro USD. But like in this candle we are just clean.
yeah, yeah.
We are just clean, man. So UJ, everything is just rejecting from the top side now on JPY pairs. 15 minutes. Yeah, man, we have benefit area just 8 pips. So yeah, man, I'm not looking for any trade on GJ. Let me see.
Oh, GJ and gold is, I guess,
No, nothing on GJ.
nothing for me. Yeah, on gold also. If
Gold may gives us a
it's close
breakout,
above the range. Yeah, it will give us the breakout,
but
but
it
the
is
thing
not
is,
giving
it
us a
won't.
breakout for now.
Yeah, it won't give us on the London session, and if it gives any breakout on the London session, it will be risky because it will be moving like four candles straight like onto the breakout,
Yeah,
and the candle on the breakout it will be extended breakout for us.
yeah,
Then at that time we must need a bearish candle, and the closure above the bearish candle that will be a high probability.
yeah.
I will send you some of my trades that I like that got failed after the breakouts
Extended breakout.
and extended breakouts, and I will show
I
you why that doesn't work. Yeah.
why I take the rule of three candles. This is why like I don't like the breakout, extended breakout. That is why I
Yeah, extended
take the role
breakouts is
of
very risky.
very risky because we have to wait for
Yeah.
some sort of a retracement.
Yeah.
How much you are up now? 14 pips?
No, I'm up like 13 pips right now.
Yeah, 13 pips.
Yeah. The broker doesn't show the like pip difference than trading view, It's less than 1 or 2 pips than the actual broker. If these candle move for like 20 pips on our broker, it will be 18 or 19 pips. It's for sure. Check that and do check it out.
Like what?
Like if we enter on the perfect price,
Yeah,
on our trade setup.
yeah,
When it goes like for like 20 pips on trading view,
yeah.
our profit will be 19 pips on our broker. It has a
Oh,
difference of 1 to 2 pips. Yeah.
oh wow.
Yeah, check out your own trade. This trade, how much you are up.
I'm up. You can see on the YouTube like 7 pips.
7 pips,
7.3.
and look at the on the trading view how from your actual entry what's your profit
Let
till
me,
now.
man, this thing is crazy.
Yeah.
Let me go to the your trading view. Trading view.
It's, it's often like a 50 cent from
What?
the trading view.
Euro USD. Man, 1 pip is very too much on Euro USD, man.
Yeah,
1 pip is very much. It is not the 1 pip of gold. It is the 1 pip of Euro USD.
yeah.
So my entry is there. Uh, long position on my on MT5 on trading view. I am up 8 pips. Oh shit, man.
No.
Oh, oh, really? Let me see how much up I was on this. Here I was up 7.4 pips, and on TradingView I'm up 8 pips. So we have a
No.
half pip difference, man. Oh shit. Yeah, we have a half pip difference. So like we can show this to our audience. They can also understand what we are talking. Oh man, I see this stuff first time for the first time.
Yeah, I've noticed it quite a lot of time, especially on gold in GJ. It's
Ah,
often like it is often has a difference of 2 to 3
look at
pips.
this, man. You can see 8 pips. Like this is like tapped into 8 pips. And on my
Yeah.
broker, I just got 7.4 pips. Like we have zero point 0.6 pips difference. Like if we go for like 10 pips more, maybe we see 1.5 pip difference.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So yeah. So yeah, let me show you. Oh, I think.
Bro, I don't know. From last night, my stomach hurts very bad. I don't know what to do.
Why? Please हिंदी
I,
लैंग्वेज. भाई अगर आपको हिंदी लैंग्वेज चाहिए तो आप किसी और को फॉलो करें ना. हिंदी लैंग्वेज कहाँ से आपके लिए लाएं? हम तो वैसे भी उर्दू लैंग्वेज वाले हैं. हम आपको संविधान करते हैं इधर. हम आपको संविधान
सावधान.
कर. हमारी परीक्षा में आप आ गए हैं. हम आपको यहाँ पे करते हैं संविधान. आपको
Mm,
आपको आपका स्वागत किया जाता है.
the,
So now you have a chat section in front of you. So yeah, आपसे बेनती की जाती है कि आप थोड़ी इंग्लिश सीखें और प्रतीक्षा करें ताकि हमारे लिए इजी हो जाए.
आपसे भिंडी की जाती है.
बेनती की जाती
क्या
है.
आप थोड़े नहीं भिंडी की जाती है
अच्छा.
कि थोड़ी उर्दू भी अंग्रेजी भी सीख ले. ये
हम्म,
इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है.
मैं इतनी सीख लें कि आप अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें. ये नहीं कह रहे हम कि आप ओ अंग्रेज ही बन जाए. कठ अंग्रेज ना भी बने खैर है. बट
Yeah.
you will like just understand your English. Like if someone is
Yeah.
speaking.
Bro, it's really hard to be fluent on English.
Very
In 2018, I was really fluent on English. I had my IELTS and my IELTS score was 8.5. Then the
shit,
problem was
man.
that yeah, and the problem was that that there wasn't any environment that we should talk, and I just forgot all my English. I
Yeah.
was like applying for a student visa to Australia. That's why
Oh,
I was
same thing
really
for
concerned
me.
about English. Yeah.
Same thing to me, man.
And in today I just forgot the vocabularies. I
Yeah,
just
it
can
happens
I
sometimes.
understand English very well, and I can like
But
Answer
man,
answer English on the type.
listen,
Yeah,
if you hear the UK accent, British accent, man, it is extremely tough.
bro.
Extremely
Bro,
tough.
that is like Russian is speaking raw
Yeah,
UK
man.
English.
We like, man. I know what English is, but what he is speaking, I sometimes
Yeah.
there's a guy. Let's see, like, let me find that guy on my second account.
Are you fucking stupid? That is like the
Yeah,
that
my
is like
seven.
the UK.
Let me.
Yeah. Give me
Yeah.
a bottle of water. Yeah.
Wade.
Bro, I like Nick Stewart. Like
His accent
you
is very
have you
good.
noticed his accent
Is very
when he
good.
copy like Indian, when he copy like British accent. He
Man,
just he just cracks me up a lot of time.
he was a speaker first.
Yeah, he was a
So
motivational speaker. His
he
speaking
like
is
he
really
spent
good.
6 7 years. That is why he's very much successful in his streaming because
Yeah,
because
the way of his talking just gained a lot of like audience, you know?
yeah, man, and his success is just like a boom,
Yeah,
and his success is boom. He's very because of his success, because of his speaking power, he's very successful.
yeah. He
So
has a very fluent way of talking.
yeah,
I don't know
it is
how
not
to
just
get
about
that.
it is not just about fluent because he's native English. Fluent is
Yeah.
not a very big thing for him, but the thing that is very big for him is like he's I don't know from where he take the words.
And
Whatever he
have you
speak.
noticed his brother is speaking? You know,
His
whenever he
brother is
talks,
no. His brother
I
is just shit.
yeah, I wish to punch him in the face. Like, shut the fuck up! You don't even like
पता क्या
motivate the people.
मैं पता क्या तो ये टट्टा है उसका
हाँ?
ये ना उसका निक स्टीव का टट्टा है
या
यार
ब्रो
वो
मुझे
बड़ा
भी ऐसा
कसूर
ही
है
लगता है, ऐसी फीलिंग आती है नहीं?
टट्टा टट्टा
वाला कसम वो जब इस बोलते हैं ना मोटिवेशन स्पीच जो करते हैं, मैं इतना गुस्सा आता है यार, चुप हो जाओ यार तुम,
भाई तुम्हें
मोटिवेशन
नहीं
की
करनी
बजाय
आती ना
हमें
करो
हाँ,
निक इज एक्सट्रीमली गुड
वो
बट वो तो भाई वो निक का टट्टा है वो
हाँ भाई, लेकिन मिक्स का यार लैंग्वेज मुझे और तो ये एक्सेंट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
हाँ
बहुत ही फ्लुएंट तरीके से बात करते हैं और कितने मेच्योरिटी के साथ बात करते हैं यार।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
When he have you ever noticed his way of like promoting his signals, you know?
he always say no
Sometimes
I don't wanna sell the signals but
yeah,
people ask me hey
it's
give
you guys that are forcing me to open my signal. That's why I'm just like opening the signals for you. And when you take a 1 month signal, you get 2 month free. It's a package for you guys. I'm
this is
like,
a
what the
free money
fuck?
man
It's,
like if you are
it's
making money from the
clearly,
signals it is a free money
yeah, it's clearly, bro, a market advertisement that he is using.
but he was in this stuff for from a very long time so it makes sense for
Yeah,
him
he
like
and
he
his
can
wife, and his wife is also Latina,
yeah
bro. I have seen the Latinas. They were really like, they are really bold.
yeah yeah man you know what I'm
हमें भी
finding
कोई
I am
लाटिना ही मिल
finding
जाए, शायद हमारी कोई कुछ काम हो जाए हमारे, वरना तो हम ऐसे भी रोड रोड के चापे ही रह जाएंगे।
क्या कहा
Have you
आपने
ever noticed कोई मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई तेज लड़की हमें सुधार सकती है कि जिंदगी में थोड़ा
हाँ हमें
होशियार हो
लड़की
ना।
चाहिए है ना
हाँ ब्रो, वो तो चाहिए, क्या बोलूं।
ओह, मैं अभी
हाँ
ढूंढ
चाहिए
रहा
तो है, क्या
हूँ
कर सकते हो।
भाई पता नहीं मैं कितनी वीडियोस देखता हूँ यार रोजाना मुझे हिस्ट्री में वही
किस
नहीं मिल
चीज
रहा
की।
वो मैं रोजाना उसकी देख रहा हूँ उसकी ना वो आ जाती है शॉर्ट्स वीडियोस आती हैं वो यूके एक्सेंट वाले की ओ भाई कमाल है यार
कौन।
वो एक लड़का मुझे उसका नहीं पता कौन है वो क्या है वो ओ बड़ी प्यारी इंग्लिश बोलता है मुझे समझ कोई नहीं आती, मैं फिर वो ऑन करता हूँ।
कुछ
क्या
समझ नहीं है लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा।
नहीं नहीं, वो जो होते हैं सब, क्या कहते हैं उसे, सबटाइटल नहीं कहते उसे, वो जो सबटाइटल ही होता है जो नीचे चल रहा होता है ना।
हाँ
हाँ, मैं फिर सबटाइटल ऑन करके देखता हूँ ताकि मुझे समझ आए। फिर उससे यह है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम बंदे को पता चलता है, अच्छा ये वर्ड को वेड पड़ता है, वेड।
हाँ। जो वो जो कशफ अली देखा है आपने कभी?
कश्यप अली नहीं, पाकिस्तानी है।
एक पाकिस्तानी है जो
यार मुझे
यूके
ये
में है ना।
बच्ची बड़ी पसंद है
यार
यार।
इतना डेस्परेशन इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो एक लड़के ने बोला था कि बोलो अली प्लीज सुधर जाओ। वो बोल रहा था कि अली सुधर जाओ, अपनी जिंदगी पे ध्यान दो, और मैं अपने आप पर ले रहा था, इतना खुश हो रहा था। मैं बोल रहा
हाँ,
ये कैसे डेस्परेशन है बेंचोद।
यार ये मुझे बड़ी
इतने
अच्छी लगती है।
डेस्परेट भी नहीं होनी चाहिए।
इधर यूट्यूब पे देखो। हाँ, मैं एक चीज़ दिखा रहा हूँ।
हाँ,
ये शी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल।
I know so many men who
Actors,
actors
are you single these days?
very much single.
You are?
You're single as long as there is a ring on your finger. I feel like
gold
you
buy
are
or
not.
sell.
So
So
you're not.
just
I
take a
am.
buy and
There
take
is
a
no
sell.
ring on my finger.
Put
हाँ,
2 lots on buy and 3 lots on
whatever
sell.
goes in profits, close that trade,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
when the second entry goes more in drawdown, close that trade. You will be in a net drawdown.
Especially with the economy we have.
Hmm.
Petrol is 200.
आप देख रहे हैं वो, मैं आपको जो यूट्यूब पे दिखा रहा हूँ।
ये लड़की।
हाँ, एक
हाँ,
ये
इसका मैं ड्रामा भी देख रहा हूँ अभी।
इसका
हाँ, एक ड्रामा निकला है इसका, वो
इसका
क्या बोलते हैं,
अरे
इश्क
यार यार
मुर्शिद। हाँ,
यार मैं
इश्क मुर्शिद।
ओए पता क्या, मैं ना अपनी ये ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ ब्रेक इवन।
क्या?
हाँ, यूएसडी।
हाँ हाँ, तो करो।
अच्छा, मैं ना, मेरी फेवरेट है वो, भाई इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी मैंने कोई नहीं देखी यार।
कौन?
ईमान अली।
रूप का तूफान देखकर ईमान डोल जाता है, ईमान देखकर। पहली दफा सही शायर लगे।
मैं ना कोई और दिखाता हूँ इसकी शॉर्ट्स। इसकी उसके साथ था शो, क्या नाम है उसका, यार इस मोटे का क्या नाम है, मोटा है जो विद विद फरहान सईद है शायद उसका नाम। फक मैन, फरहान सईद नहीं है।
बी हिट कर गया तुम्हारा?
है
बी हिट कर गया?
पता नहीं, मैंने कोई नहीं देखा। नहीं, 2.3 पिप्स अप। हाँ, ये है ईमान अली हसन चौधरी
ईमान अली हसन चौधरी।
विद,
मुझे सर्च करने लगा।
नहीं आप ना सर्च करना ना, मैं आपको यूट्यूब पे दिखा रहा हूँ ना जो शॉर्ट्स, मैं आपको शॉर्ट्स दिखाऊंगा,
यार
पूरा इंटरव्यू नहीं देखने
वो
वाले
मसला है कि तुम्हारे स्ट्रीम बहुत लेग कर रहे हैं, एक बार खुद देख लो।
हैं।
हाँ,
चलो
बहुत लेग कर रहे हैं।
यूट्यूब पे सर्च कर, मैं आपको ना लिंक देता हूँ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
यार वो कहाँ गई हैं, इतनी प्यारी थी वो यार वो। ओह मैन, दिस इज द थिंग दैट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर।
हाँ, ये तो हम सुनना चाहते हैं।
एक ही नाम ले सकते हैं।
नहीं, आप 10 ले लें। इजाजत है आपको?
नहीं
अच्छा, एक बता दूं चलो।
नहीं बता रही मैं।
बट किया है प्रपोज इंडस्ट्री के
मल्टीपल एक्टर्स ने आपको प्रपोज किया?
नहीं, एक ने बहुत ही सीरियसली किया।
एक ने बहुत सीरियसली किया था।
बहुत ज्यादा।
हमारी लोकल इंडस्ट्री बहुत सीरियसली किया था।
अच्छा, बाहर वाली नहीं काउंट कर रही?
बाहर वाली
बहुत
तो
सारे यार
अनगिनत
की
है।
फिल्म भी नहीं देखनी है।
अच्छा, तो ये जो लोकल वाले थे इन्होंने काफी इसरार किया। Why did you turn him down? मल्टीपल एक्टर्स ने
अली देख रहे हो आप?
हाँ
कैसी है यार? The way she's speaking, it is extremely good.
हाँ
Extremely good, man. I like that.
it's cute, no? Yeah, she's cute.
एक दिन उसके ताबिश शाशमी के शो पे आई थी, हंसना मना है पे।
अच्छा
हैं?
अच्छा
हाँ, मैंने वो देखा था। So we may get the BEGJ not doing anything. US30 UJ gold. I don't know. I don't know.
yeah, but the thing is like how bro we need someone for sure.
Like what?
We need the men do need someone in order to fuel him up, you know?
Oh, stop it at break even.
With your being?
BE. What about you?
No, I'm holding it. Either it's stop or the treatment.
You are at break even?
On my funded account it is break even, but on my main account it is not.
Yeah.
Because on my funded account it's on the flip side, you know?
Yeah,
If it
you're.
flips, it can go. Yeah, it will go.
Yeah. I think I can keep my stop loss below the previous 15-minute candle. That works good. That will be the 1 pip stop loss.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, break even. Break.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, just try like wait for the candle to close outside of the range and took the trade. It goes in like 7.4 pips in profit. So that's it. 7.4 pips in profit. So yeah, that's it. So GJ, we have 1 minute left for the candle to close. We have 1 minute left for the candle to close. Let's see. I think there is a problem with like stream. You're saying it is delaying too much. Oh, YouTube is not receiving enough video. Let me buy or sell. Please use Hindi language. Fuck off. Oh, it break the low of the previous 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
Mashallah, look at this. This is like you're living in Beverly Hills or some shit like that.
Raja Banks always makes some stories on his Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they are saying, man, I have my internet, I have everything. I don't know why they are saying like your stream will end with. Ali, you know what? I am ordering today a new mic setup.
What?
New mic setup. Let me send you the link. Mic setup. Images. Yeah, this kind of whole mic. Yeah. What we can copy link address. For now, visit site. Yeah, just no, man. I just let me download the picture. Actually, I'm also. Oh wow. Yeah, this is the setup that I am looking for. Let me download these pictures, then I'll send that picture to you. Download, save link, copy image, save image. You can see on the Discord. नहीं नहीं पिक्चर सेंड कर दी मैंने आपको पिक्चर सेंड कर दी है पिक्चर नहीं लिंक नहीं अभी पिक्चर आ जाएगी मुझे लग रहा है स्पॉइलर अटैचमेंट स्पॉइलर मैन मेरी तरफ से तो आ गई है वो एक मिनट में दोबारा देखता हूँ डाउनलोड्स पता नहीं यार ये क्या कह रहा है मेरा है HP डेस्कटॉप है 4th generation 16 GB RAM i5
A lot of upgrade on your PC you need.
yeah when I was
Nvidia quad core for the RAM,
I think you know what I don't wanna put my graphic card in this PC I'm looking for a new PC
Yeah, should build one.
yeah
You really good. You know. In my PC I don't have any webcam. I don't have any mic. My headphone is on my headphone is my mic. Like I don't. My laptop just got broken. I don't even have any laptop right now. So I'll
what happened with your laptop
So my mother just one day he was cleaning the room and
oh
dropped it from the shelf. So
oh
opened it. So it was like it wasn't like what do we say? It
oh
wasn't turning on. When I
that happened because of unconsciousness not because of the planning
yeah, when I took it to the shop, then they told us that the motherboard was broken. So yeah,
oh
so
oh
it's going up, not waiting for anyone.
स्ट्रीम एंड हो गया भाई चार्ट्स भी देख लें ओह चीजें इज पुशिंग अप मैन think GG is pushing up, man. That could be the entry. Oh, we got the, I think, wick first. Oh, we got the wick first, then we came up. Stop loss 25 pips. Oh, 30 pips move up towards the upside. Even if you trail your stop loss on the 1 minute time frame, you can get like now 1 minute close bearish, close the trade. 22 pips. And that was good, I think. UJ is, oh, UJ was more perfect because we got the closure above the range. It also moved 28 pips. So that is why I am also looking at the UJ, because I like spreads are very small, like almost no spreads. Now spreads on UJ 0.4 pips, 0.3, 0.4, just 30. If on the Euro USD, if it create a support there, I'll give my trade a second chance. Other than that, I'm only looking for gold. And why I didn't look at this shit? That was easy. 28 pips. So yeah, man, that was the trade. So we got one BE. Let me update the record. One BE. Properties. Instead of 2, we will hit 3. And we can also add one break even here. Alright. One break even to 2 wins. That could be the third win for the day, but didn't take that win. What is the problem with the live stream? I don't know. Stream health is excellent now, man. So wait a minute, man. Wait a minute. So let me do one thing. We didn't even go for the gotta check it out. We have nothing for now, man. So yeah, man, we have nothing. That could be the trade. I think we can go for the candle open. Go to the ball, chuck go, chuck go. To where chuck go, chuck go, chuck go, chuck go. Hmm. USD JPY. 20 pips. Oh man, that was the trade. Checker. We have 4 minutes left for the candle to close. Actually 3 minutes left. Let's see how the 3 minutes goes. Kar to range check. Oh man. Man, look at the risk management there. Risk management is at its best. Risk management is at its best. Risk management is at its best. So, how many people do we have on the stream? We have 8 people. We have 2 likes, man. 2 likes. Check. We have 1.5 minutes left for the candle to close. Man. Check. ਚੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ. Man, Parmesh Verma is good. It is amazing. He like but we are not good. Like if I go with a 25 cent there, that will be the like 1% risk. We easily made like 1% there. So here is the 1 hour fake out. 30-minute fake out. 1 hour fake out. 1 hour close below the range. I think the next 1 hour candle will came down. Yeah, man. I think we can secure some profits there. But we didn't even go to the 10 pips on EJ. 7.4 pips. We can't get nothing there. Oh shit. Very risky. Oh man, look at the rejection. Rejection. Gold may gives us a breakout towards the downside. We may get the breakout towards the upside. ਉਹ ਭਾਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਰਾਤੀ ਕੋਟ ਫੜਿਆ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਗੱਡੀ ਟੁਰ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਰਾਤੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ भाई मैंने सही किया ब्रेक इवन कर दिया था नहीं तभी मैं बैठा होता लॉस में सो मैन ओ भाई मैंने सही कर दिया जो मैंने ब्रेक इवन कर दिया था अभी मैं लॉस में बैठा होता I was like man the way the 30-minute candle is coming down this is not good मैंने फिर उसे कर दिया ब्रेक इवन फेक आउट हो गया 1 आवर 30 मिनट फेक आउट 1 आवर क्लोज बिलो द रेंज अगर नेक्स्ट कैंडल क्लोज अबव होती है ना मैं फिर बाय में घुस जाऊंगा चक कर मैं मित्रां दी बिलो So guys leave a like on the stream leave a like on the stream I'm going to the stream and I'm seeing how many likes do we have kar chakkar let me see we have 2 likes guys leave a like on the stream and oh what is this oh fuck oh yeah GJ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 So yeah guys leave a like on the stream man so that works good if you can give the stream a like that works good so yeah man leave a like on the stream so we can continue the stream if we don't get the likes if we don't get 5 likes now I think I'm done for the day I'm done for the day if it gives us if we can get the 5 likes that's it if we don't I'm done for the day leave a like man so we have azan when I'll come back if we don't get 5 likes I'll end the stream So let's see, man. Ho! We are up 10 pips.
ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਏਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਰੇਂਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹਿਣੀ ਉੱਠਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਚੇਜ਼ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੀਸ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਜੈਲਸੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਫਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਗਰਾਊਂਡਡ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਪੜੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਡਿਕਟੇਟ ਤੇਰੀ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਰੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਐਜੂਕੇਟ ਡਿੱਗਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਲੈਵੀਟੇਟ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਪੁਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਪੂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਚਾਰੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬੜਾ ਕੈਂਟ ਅਸਲ ਖੇਡ ਮੈਂ ਖੇਡਾਵਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਫੋਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੈਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੈਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪੈਰ ਮੁਝ ਮੇ ਨਾ ਐਟ ਪਰ ਨਾ ਮੁਝੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਐਟ ਗਾੜੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਪਿਆ ਚੈੱਕ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਦੇਣ yeah I'm blessed ਯਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ it's way too different the way I flex ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਮੜਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੱਛ ਦੀ ਕਢਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜਮਾ ਖੈਰ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਚੋਪਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਅੱਖ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੇ ਫੈਰੇਗਾ ਮੋਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਟਾਇਰ ਗਿੱਠ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੜੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਚਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਉੱਠ ਚਾਹ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਦੀ ਮਾੜੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਾਡੋ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਆ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ
Yeah, this kind of close with Novik at the top. Close the trade at 20 pips. Close the trade at 20 pips. 19, 20 pips trade there. So yeah, that was the trade, man. That was the trade. Close the trade now. Check ਕਰ
ਅੱਖ ਚੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਲਹਿਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਹਿਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਪਹਿਨ ਕਨਾ ਵਜਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਯਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ
So yeah guys, I'm gonna head off. Beautiful win on the stream. That's it. That was the day. So ਹੁੰਦੇ ਡੌਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੌਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਹਿਬ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਦੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਯਾਰ ਬੇਲੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਅਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਜੋ ਗੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਾਣੋ ਦੇ ਅਲਾਏ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘੂਰਦੇ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਖੁੱਦੀ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲਈ ਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਸਰੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਫਸਦੀ ਗਰਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਏਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਰੇਂਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹਿਣੀ ਉੱਠਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਚੇਜ਼ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੀਸ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਜੈਲਸੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਫਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਗਰਾਊਂਡਡ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਪੜੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਡਿਕਟੇਟ ਤੇਰੀ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਰੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਐਜੂਕੇਟ ਡਿੱਗਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਲੈਵੀਟੇਟ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਪੁਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਪੂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਚਾਰੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬੜਾ ਕੈਂਟ ਅਸਲ ਖੇਡ ਮੈਂ ਖੇਡਾਵਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਫੋਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੈਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੈਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪੈਰ ਮੁਝ ਮੇ ਨਾ ਐਟ ਪਰ ਨਾ ਮੁਝੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਐਟ ਗਾੜੀ
check ਪਿਆ check ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਦੇਣ yeah I'm blessed ਯਾਰੀ check ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ check it's way too different the way I flex ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਾਰੀ check ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰ ਤਾਰੀ check ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਮੜਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੱਛ ਦੀ ਕਢਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜਮਾ ਕਹਿਰ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਚੋਪਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਚਿਹਰੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਅੱਖ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੇ ਫੈਰੇਗਾ ਮੁਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਟਾਇਰ ਗਿੱਠ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੜੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਚਲਾਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਉੱਠ ਚਾਹ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਦੀ ਮਾੜੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਾਢੋ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਆ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਝਾੜੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਮਾਈਕ ਹੱਥ ਚ ਤੇ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾੜੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਖੱਬੇ ਹੱਥ ਰੋਲੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਅੱਖ ਚੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਲਹਿਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਹਿਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਪਹਿਨ ਕਨਾ ਵੈਲੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਯਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਅਸਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੈਸ ਤੂੰ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਵੈਗਨ ਸਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਡੋਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੌਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਹਿਬ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਦੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਲੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਯਾਰ ਬੇਲੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਅਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਜੋ ਗੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਾਣੋ ਦੇ ਅਲਾਏ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘੂਰਦੇ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਖੁੱਦੀ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲਈ ਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਸਰੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਫਸਦੀ ਗਰਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਏਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ